Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss in the house. Today's video is all about the benefits of broccoli. So come with me to the store, picking up some broccoli, and now we're going to put this baby on the stove. By the way, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button, hit that bell's notification, and give this video a big thumbs up. So the benefits for broccoli, y'all, it's amazing. It's great for our hair. It's full of vitamin A, vitamin C, and calcium, all in which that promote healthy hair. Calcium strengthens your hair follicles, and the vitamins stimulate the production of sebum, which is a natural moisturizer and conditioner for our hair. This means that more broccoli, the stronger and shinier our hair will be. Okay, so that's definitely a great thing. In addition, the vitamin C also help combat hair loss by eliminating free radicals. Also, keep in mind, broccoli is excellent for our skin. It keeps us looking young and youthful, and that is definitely something that we want. It can also be used as a sunscreen. So if you're out there in the elements, it is going to serve as UV protection for our skin. Also, it helps reduce the risk of cancer, which is also a triple plus. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Eat your broccoli. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches. Mwah.